Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Priyanka Saokar. So today I am making this video again is to fitness, wellness you can consider. So basically this is related to posture corrector. Okay, see, basically I have this problem of shoulder this thing, and another thing, the professional hazard. I'm into dentistry. So no matter how correctly we sit on the dental chair, I follow all the guidelines. Even dental chair, even the normal chair, whenever I sit, I make sure my the thighs are parallel to the floor, and the knee and thighs will be having 90-degree angle every time. I prefer it doing so. Mostly I prefer sitting dentistry, but sometimes what happens doing some complicated cases, suppose I'm treating some case with the inside braces, I have to bend it down. Because of that constant work of 10 to 11 years, my shoulders are I started developing this habit, but I have noticed it early, so I thought I will give it a try for a posture corrector. So recently I got one product, so today I am going to unbox it. Okay, it's a posture corrector. So where is my product? Okay, before talking about the product, I really want to tell the few brands which I studied a lot. Okay, so out of which no, I saw a pre-fit woman, then the Tyner this thing posture corrector was there, then there was one easy, um, okay, then the Berlin and Daughter. This was the product I really liked, but in my size it was not available. Otherwise I wanted to buy this Berlin and Daughter product. Then the Maricam clavicle, that is one product. So these are few products which were very good. I'll try to provide the link in my videos, okay, so that it will be easy for you to compare it. So out of which Iron Warrior, okay, no, these are about the this thing. So out of which I bought this product, it is from Caresmith India. Okay, so this is the product. This is also good brand, they got very good reviews, and I bought it from Amazon. So the Caresmith posture corrector and clavicle support, this is the bone which is known as clavicle. So obviously when they correct the posture, it supports clavicle as well. So wow, the color is very nice, it is quite girly, shiny and lacy. So this is the product, it looks very slick. I don't know how to use it, how to put it. I'll try this product and I'll show you, I'll shoot the video all again. Okay, so this is the product, it looks very easy and simple to use. Let's see, I'll try it on and I'll make the video. So they have given the instruction manual for good posture basic, type smart, sleep smart. There are multiple things, be aware of ponytail, forward fold straddle. There are exercises they have given, traction like this, multiple exercises. It's a big booklet they have provided. In this tips and tricks they have given, okay, beginner level stretches and exercises they have given. So, and this is the product. So basically how to use this product, so for that they have written in 4 steps. First one is loosen the buckle straps and put it like this. Okay, I'll just try this product and I'll show you how it looks. Hi, this is after applying the straps and all. It is very convenient, very easy to use. Okay, basically we have to just adjust the strap, stretch it more and place it like this, and the same side we are supposed to do. If we feel it is not like this strap is going up, we have to adjust it and place it like this. The whole thing, it supports the velcro, and believe me, it's like holding it really back. But this is not the right time to review the product. I will use this for at least a span of 2 months, I say, and then I'll review this product whether it's really works or not. Meanwhile, I am giving all the products whatever we have discussed today in the links below, so that if you have any issues with the posture correction, you can go for it. Bye bye, take care. Hi, this is me after 2 months of use of posture corrector. So I want to review this product all over again. So I've used this for 2 months, and then I've realized at certain point you can't use this and where you should use this. For me, it was very difficult to run with this, so I won't recommend while running. You should wear this, no matter whether you feel that while running you're bending down, but it was quite uncomfortable in this part particularly. So, and while walking you can definitely wear this product and walk, and mostly it is recommended when you are working on your laptop and you have tendency for bending down. That time definitely you should give it a try. Overall this product is very nice, very slick, comfortable, but not for the harsh exercises or running or something like that. And daily I will say 4 to 5 hours use is definitely can be done with this product. And yes, it's working on me, because I feel it reminds me, though I'm not using it, sometimes I'm sitting, I try to sit straight, because because of this product, no, you get that habit that it acts like a reminder, you should not sit like this, you have to sit like this. So yes, it is working with me. Let's hope that I will use it for longer duration. So bye bye, take care.